Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to verify your Bumble profile. All you need to do guys is come here at the bottom left and click on your profile icon, okay? And here I want you to click on complete profile. And then you see this option right here that says verify my profile. It's currently not verified. So if you click on this, what's going to happen is you are able to take a photo of yourself doing this pose. And what they will do, Bumble's support team will check this photo that you'll upload and see if it matches the person in your profile. Okay, this will not be visible in your profile, of course, and make sure that your face should be clearly visible and you must be copying that pose exactly. Okay, then just go ahead and click here and take your photo. Allow permissions for Bumble to take the photo, okay, and then submit it, and you just have to wait. And then what's going to happen is you will get a shield with a star on your profile. Do just check to make sure it matches the photos you have uploaded on your profile. Really that easy and simple.